What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect a Bluetooth soundbar to your PS5. Now over here I have my soundbar that is currently connected wirelessly via Bluetooth to my PS5, and if I try to play the FC25 game over here, you're literally going to hear the audio coming out from my soundbar, not actually from my TV. I'm calling the album, give thanks right now, I'm feeling love. Don't pop out like pimple, more time and keep it simple. So basically that is exactly what I'll be showing you how to do in this particular video. Like you might already know, if you have ever tried to connect your PS5 to any Bluetooth soundbar or Bluetooth headphone, you should have noticed that even though the PS5 actually has the Bluetooth feature, you will be able to find the name of your soundbar or your Bluetooth headphone, but you can't actually connect to it. So over here is actually the name of my Hisense soundbar, and if I try to connect to it, you're actually going to get an error because this soundbar is not particularly from PlayStation. So PlayStation does not allow the use of third-party Bluetooth soundbars connected to the PS5. And so because of that, if you actually want to be able to connect a Bluetooth soundbar to your PS5 directly, then you will actually need a device like this one over here. Now, as you can see, this is actually a 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter. It is both a Bluetooth transmitter and a Bluetooth receiver at the same time, but particularly what we actually need is the Bluetooth transmitter feature, so that we can actually get the audio from our PS5 to our soundbar via Bluetooth. And if you actually open up this device, it is actually a USB Bluetooth adapter. However, some of these devices can actually come as a USB-C, and if you actually get the USB-C or the normal USB just like this one over here, you are good to go. Also, this device has a button over here which you should press to put the device on pairing mode. All you just have to do once you get it is to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports at the back of your PS5. If you got the one that uses a USB-C instead of a USB, you just want to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB-C ports at the front of your PS5. That will also work perfectly fine. Now, once this device is actually connected to your PS5, it will automatically start to blink, indicating that it is now on pairing mode. If the device does not go into pairing mode by default, you can go ahead and press on this button over here, just long press on it, and it will actually go into pairing mode. Also, in my case over here, you will notice that mine actually comes with this headphone jack to headphone jack cable, but we are not going to be needing this because it is actually for the receiver feature. What we actually need is the transmitter. Now, once this device is plugged to your PS5 and it starts to blink, indicating that it is now on pairing mode, what you just have to do is to go ahead and turn on your soundbar and also put it on Bluetooth mode as well. Now, for my soundbar over here, automatically once you turn it on, it goes into Bluetooth mode. But if your soundbar has different modes like HDMI, aux cable mode, USB mode, all you just have to do is to make sure that it is on Bluetooth mode, so that it should also find our Bluetooth adapter that has been connected to our PS5. In my case, I'll just go ahead and turn it on, and it should actually go into Bluetooth mode by default. Connected. And as you can see, automatically both devices are now connected, and you can literally see the sign at the top of my PS5 over here. And at this point, you should be able to get all of your sound and audio from your PS5 on your soundbar via Bluetooth. However, if you notice that you're still not able to get the audio, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your PS5, go over to the sound settings, select sound, and then under audio output, you want to make sure that output device is set to USB headset, which is actually the USB device that we have connected to our PS5. Make sure that it is not set to HDMI device, and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.